Hello guys, in this video I will just try to explain the word probabilities in trading stocks. It has a relation to math, but it is not really math. There is one person I have done a similar video about probabilities, and this guy, I think he's is doing math or at college or where, and he began to put some equation like this on his comment on my video, and he thinks I will reply back to the math equation that he has done. But you see, I try to explain to him with another way of probabilities. Okay? It's not math as you might know. You go to probabilities and you ask your teacher or at the college or wherever, and you want to understand trading from that. Okay? There are a lot of people who tried to use probabilities and math in stock market, but they get stuck. Now why? Because the way the stock is moved by people. You can't control the minds of the people. If the people they don't do the same thing, okay? For example, I am buying, someone is selling. It's just an opinion in the market, okay? Or I am selling my stock because I think it never go up again. But you find another guy who bought the stock, but from me, because when I sell, someone is buying, and he is not a trader. He thinks that the stock is going up. Now, the probabilities, what we mean by probabilities is the strategies that of entry and exit. That's it. There are many strategies. All these I'm teaching in my in my 16 level training levels. It is just, when do you enter? Now, when you enter and you see the probabilities of the stock going up or going down according to what you do, is it something that you can rely on, yes or no? And the market will validate your probabilities. Validate it means if you are right, you make money. If you lose little money. And in trading, those strategies on how and when to enter exactly. This is what I am doing in the way I do, like how to buy from support line, how to buy from resistance line, how to buy when there is stock trading into a range. All this stuff are skills of probabilities that you should learn in order to understand. It's just based on price. It is not based on news or other stuff. It is only based on price. There are other things that you can rely on the news. For example, earning dates. You can rely on that, but it's more risky. Okay, if you don't like too much risk, don't go to this kind of things. So when you buy according to my way of buying, like from resistance line or from support line, a lot of people, they ask me, oh, what's this support line? Show us. Okay, I can show you a paid information. For free information, you should get the training. Now, probabilities, it means when you do a trade, how do you think the trade will go? It means the probability of success. Is it 50%, 70%, 90%, 80%? Okay? Now, a lot of people, this is what happened to someone. I know it will happen to a lot of people. He said to me, whenever I buy a stock, it goes down. I say to him, because the probabilities of that entry is bad. Let's say it's 20% or 30% or 40%. Okay? That's why you always lose money from this entry. Because you don't know how to enter. Okay? Because you don't have another strategy. You have your own strategy. You are using it. Maybe you have You have find it in free book or free online studies or free video. That's why it doesn't make you money, because most of the time it's free. It doesn't explain to you why. When we say probabilities, you should always ask why this entry is better than the other entry. If I see a chart and you show me, I say, where do you want to enter? And you say, I enter here. I will tell you why you are wrong and the probabilities is less. And if I show you another entry and they say this is probability is high, that means that most of the time you make money. And if the stock, if you are right, you will make money for sure when you are right. Excuse me. That's why a lot of mathematicians in the past, they have written books about probabilities. You can just go and search probabilities in stock market or something. They will give you a lot of things, a lot of formula. You should be a mathematician to understand what they say. But understand that math is logic. And trading is a game. It's not the same. Okay? That's why we say the market is illogical. You find a big company that it is one of the best in the world. It has the best products in the world. It is successful. It sells a lot. But the stock is going down and down and down and down. Why is that? Because stock market is a game. It's not a real world. It's a virtual world. It's like a lottery. Let's say it's like a lottery. But lottery is most of the people lose. But in stock market, a lot of people, they make money. Okay? They make money. That's why the stock market is the biggest market in the world. Now, why it is the biggest? Because people, they can make money although they have never heard about stock market or trading. Sometimes some people, they just buy a stock and by chance, by luck, this stock goes wide and they become rich and millionaire because of that stock. Just once. It's like a lottery thing. But in order to become like a professional trader and to do this for business, you should understand these probabilities. That's what I am explaining in my training, and it's always what I am doing is just to give you the general idea and to make all the myths from your mind out. Okay, all the myths about trading, about some people are like they know what will happen in the market in 1 hour or today or next day. Okay, these people, they just predict whatever they predict. If it is true, they say, we have told you this. But if they don't succeed, they become silent and they are out of history. Okay, so that's why I'm trying to explain this kind of probabilities, which is a game related to the stock market. Okay, it's related to the stock market. It's like in the classroom, those who are teachers or have been teachers or are going to be teachers, when they teach some people, they will have this probability to show you who will win and who will succeed and who will lose and who will fail in his studies. They don't do this from their mind, just this, because they see the face of the person and they say, that girl is so nice. It is a success. That girl is ugly. Oh no, she will lose and she will fail in her life. No, they do because they see the behavior and the study of these students. Someone is a genius. He studies a lot. He tries to understand everything. And some students, they are lazy. Okay, they don't do nothing. So how can they succeed? That's why the rate for success is low for them, because they don't do nothing to change their character, to change their way of doing business, to change a way of doing studying, to make an effort in something. Okay, so probabilities you should learn. It's like a skill that you should learn how to enter. That's why if you go to my subscription, it gives you one of the best entries in the stock market, which is from resistance line. And I show you the stocks and I show you how to select them, how to search them, and what are the stocks that have high probability, what are the stocks that have less probabilities, and that's why I drop them. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and hope you understand something about what I say. Comment or send me a private message, and check my subscription if you want. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.